Okay, seriously, how do geckos climb walls like little superheroes? It's not glue, it's not magic, it's science. Their feet are covered in millions of tiny hairs called setae. Sounds fancy, right? Each hair splits into even more tiny tips called spatulae. Yeah, like mini spatulas. These tiny tips create invisible stickiness with the wall, thanks to something called van der Waals forces, basically nature's cheat code. That's how they stick to glass, walls, ceilings, even upside down. If Spider-Man had a gecko sidekick, he'd never need web shooters. Smash that follow button for more awesome animal facts.